Take a look at these two car AC blowers I am holding. They look pretty similar from the outside, right? When many customers first see them, they might think, it is just a blower. How different can they really be? Today, I'm going to compare these two AC blowers side by side, using only real data and the measurable differences. Under the same working voltage, our measured speed is 2,960 revolutions per minute, while some competitors' products are at only around 2,640 revolutions per minute, a gap of over 300 revolutions per minute. Don't underestimate those 300 revolutions per minute. They directly determine airflow performance. Under the same static pressure condition, our airflow is 491 cubic meters per H&R, while some competitors' products achieve about 442 cubic meters per H. That is roughly 11% higher. In practical terms, this means at the same fan speed setting, a car equipped with Songtian's blower will cool down or heat up faster. Now, let's look at the motor itself. Songtian uses an 8-pole 12-slot configuration, while some competitors still use a 4-pole 6-slot designs. Different structures mean different efficiencies. Our tests show our motor's peak operating efficiency is over 8% higher. Magnet surface flux also differ. Ours measures 1,526 Gs, while some competitors' products just over 1,200. That is a fundamental gap in motor capability when it comes to bearings. Songtian uses imported Minebea bearings. This isn't to say domestic bearings are inferior, but if this part fails, issues like abnormal noise and reduced lifespan become immediate problem. Songtian chose long-term stability and higher batch-to-batch consistency. Now, let's talk craftsmanship. On the motor housing surface, Songtian applies a blue-white zinc coating with a thickness of at least 8 microns, tested against salt spray for 96 hours. On some competitors' products, the surface may already show yellowing or rust. Over time, that affects reliability. In module production, Songtian uses automated SMT temperature-controlled and temperature-controlled soldering equipment to avoid risks like cold joints or missed soldering caused by manual works. Connector cavities and terminals are developed one-to-one to match OEM specs, ensuring reliable assembly and preventing poor contact. One detail many people don't notice: magnetic tile fixing method. Songtian uses integrated molding and automated adhesive curing, loosening force of a single tile 1,000. This isn't left to chance. Individually, none of these points might seem revolutionary, but together they determine whether this blower can run stably for the long haul and whether it will still perform flawlessly after hundreds of thousands of cycles. What Songtian has always focused on is perfecting these unseen details, not to compare ourselves against others, but to help customers avoid rework, use it with less risk. That is how we understand what a product should be.